I conduct research in people who have neurodegenerative diseases like Huntington's disease and Parkinson's disease. And so for my iTHRIV Scholars Project in particular, I'm working with people with Huntington's disease. And if you don't know about Huntington's disease, it's a rare neurodegenerative disease, and it's most well known for abnormal movements called chorea. But something that is less talked about is psychiatric symptoms and cognitive symptoms of Huntington's disease. So my project is trying to learn more about anxiety symptoms in Huntington's, which are very common and can be really debilitating for people. So I'm trying to find out why people have anxiety symptoms, what sort of thinking patterns are driving those symptoms, and then how we might be able to modify those thinking patterns to improve anxiety. I hope that my work will open doors to some more accessible treatments for anxiety in people with Huntington's disease and potentially other neurodegenerative diseases down the line. Right now, there isn't that much data to help clinicians know how to treat anxiety symptoms in people with Huntington's. And also, some people don't have access to care. They may not be able to drive, may have trouble getting into clinic. And so I'm hoping that this project will open the door to have a more accessible treatment available to more people. So I have been very lucky to work with a lot of different types of clinicians and scientists in my work, whether it's physicians, nurses, social workers, physical and occupational therapy, speech therapy, palliative care. You know, it's an amazing experience when you can work with people who have maybe different training or different background than you. They might have some knowledge of your same shared area, but they might also have knowledge of different areas. Everyone can bring a different perspective in and a different background. I'm definitely most excited about my cohort and having a cohort of peers to bounce ideas off of and to learn from. I think that it's very common in science and in medicine that people become siloed in their specialty areas, but that doesn't mean that there's not all kinds of amazing work that different people are doing. So I'm really excited not only to learn about everyone else's work, but just to hear their perspectives and any recommendations or new ideas that they might have that will bring a sort of fresh take on my work.